Activating your Spectrum mobile phone in 2025 is a straightforward process designed to get you connected quickly and efficiently. Whether you're switching carriers or setting up a new device, Spectrum Mobile offers multiple convenient activation options. Spectrum Mobile provides three convenient ways to activate your phone. You can activate online through the Spectrum website using any computer or browser. The My Spectrum mobile app offers activation directly from your smartphone, or visit any Spectrum Mobile store for in-person assistance from trained representatives. The activation process consists of two main steps. First, you need to activate your SIM card, which can be either a traditional physical SIM card or a modern eSIM that's embedded directly in your device. Second, you activate your phone plan to connect your service to the Spectrum mobile network. Before starting the activation process, gather the required information to ensure a smooth experience. You'll need your Spectrum Mobile username, account information, PIN, and billing address. If you're transferring your phone number from a previous carrier, have their account details and transfer PIN ready. Most importantly, make sure your device is unlocked from your previous carrier to ensure compatibility with Spectrum Mobile. Device compatibility is crucial for successful activation. Your phone must be unlocked from your previous carrier. Contact them if you're unsure about your device's unlock status. Additionally, verify that your device is compatible with the Spectrum mobile network. The entire activation process typically takes just 10 to 15 minutes once you have all the required information ready. Spectrum Mobile offers three convenient ways to activate your phone. You can use the My Spectrum mobile app, activate online through their website, or set up an eSIM digitally. First, let's explore activation using the My Spectrum mobile app. This is often the quickest and most convenient method for most users. To activate using the My Spectrum app, start by connecting your device to Wi-Fi. Download the My Spectrum app from your device's app store. Then sign in with your account credentials. Once signed in, select Start Activation and insert your SIM card if you received one. Some Android phones come with the SIM pre-installed. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete activation. The second method is online activation through the Spectrum website. This works well if you prefer using a computer or larger screen. For online activation, visit spectrum.com and sign into your account. Navigate to the activation dashboard and click the Activate button. Follow the step-by-step instructions to activate your SIM card or eSIM, then complete your phone plan activation. The website will guide you through each step of the process. The third method is eSIM activation, which is becoming increasingly popular. This digital approach eliminates the need for a physical SIM card. For eSIM activation, ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and activate your line of service through the Spectrum website or app. During device setup, you may receive a notification to install the Spectrum cellular plan. You can activate your eSIM by scanning a QR code provided by Spectrum or by manually entering the eSIM details in your phone's cellular settings. If you encounter any issues during activation, Spectrum Mobile customer service is available to help. You can reach them at 866-782-2681 for personalized assistance with any activation method.